Question 11, Part A. At first, 1/5 of the rectangular container was filled with water. More water was collected into the container from a leaking tap for 30 minutes. The line graph shows the volume of water in a tank over 30 minutes. How much water flowed into the container in 1 minute? Okay, so to calculate this, we know that the total time is 30 minutes. And at the same time, we want to know what is the starting volume of water. So first thing is we need to look at the gaps, right? You got 1, 2 gaps. So 2 gaps go to 50. 1 gap equal to 50 divided by 2. This will be 25. So the volume at 0 minute would then be equal to, in this case, it is 3 gaps, right? So that means 3 times 25. This will be 75 centimeter cube. Then volume at 30 minutes, this will then be equal to 200 plus 25 equal to 225 centimeter cube. So now from here, you can find the difference is 225 minus 75. This will be 150 centimeter cube. So now we have 150. So what's the water flowed in 1 minute? Would then be equal to 150 divided by 30. This will give us 5 centimeter per minute. Right, there you go. So question 11, part B. At the end of 30 minutes, what fraction of the container was filled? So we know that at first, 1/5 of the rectangular tank was filled with water. So that means 1/5 is equal to 75. So 1/5 of container is 75 centimeter cube. That means 5 over 5 container would then be equal to 5 times 75. And this will be equal to 375 centimeter cube. So we know that the volume at 30 minutes is 225. So that means the end of 30 minutes, the fraction is equal to 225 divided by 375. If you were to simplify it, this will be 3 over 5, this case over here. So always simplify even if the question didn't ask. So question 11, part C. At the end of 30 minutes, the container was filled with water to a height of 3 centimeters as shown in figure Z. Find the possible pair of length and breadth of the container given that both dimensions are whole numbers greater than 1 centimeters. So we know base area is equal to volume divided by height. So the volume that we know is 225, and then we divide it by 3. This will give us 75 centimeter square. So what is the, so this one you just have to guess and check, right? So 1 times, so length and breadth times breadth equal to 75. So 1 times 75 equal to 75. So this one I would say cannot, because question say greater than 1 cm. How about 3 times 25 equal to 75? And this one can as well. What about 5 times 15? This one also can do it. It's either 3 times 25 or 5 times 15 that is applicable.